Hello and welcome to this introductory session on Hyperrealism tools. Thanks for joining me. I'm Mariji. One of the essential tools you will need is tracing paper. Which we use to transfer the sketch onto our drawing paper. Next, we have the erasers, which include a mechanical eraser, an electric eraser which comes with both thin and thick refills, a Faber-Castell eraser pencil, a kneaded eraser, it's so important, a Mono Zero mechanical eraser with both round and flat tips. For pencils, we have a Faber-Castell B6 pencils, which are the best choice for this technique. However, if you cannot find this specific brand, any B6 pencil you can get will work. You will also need a standard mechanical pencil. Next, we have various brushes with specific feathers. Flat brushes with a stiff natural hair, meaning the bracelets are not synthetic or plastic. You will need these from small to large sizes for different areas of your drawing. A few size 0 natural hair brushes. Look at these brushes. Blending a stump. A large, thick brush with stiff bristlets for backgrounds or large areas. We also use sandpaper to create pencil and charcoal powder. Additionally, you will need masking tape. For the drawing surface, we use Fabriano Elle Erre. The back of this paper has some irregular textures, while the front surface is completely smooth. These are the minimum tools required to start this Hyperrealism course. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoy using these tools.